Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did this very glittery cut crease and I'm very happy with how it turned out. I'm sorry if the angles are kind of off, but I couldn't really see if I was in frame or not. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys want to see how I did this look, please keep watching. Okay, so I am going to take my Morphe 35B palette, and the first shade I'm using is the dark orange. And now I'm taking a pink shade in the palette. I am going back and forth with the pink and the orange. I'm just blending that out. Now I'm going in with the pencil brush and I am going to make a line so I know where to cut my crease with the red shade. Now I'm going with a smaller blending brush and I'm blending that out. And going back with the pink. And now I'm taking this concealer brush and my concealer, and I am going to cut my crease. That was me fangirling. So now I am filling in the concealer and then blending it out with another concealer brush, and then taking a shader brush I am going to set my lid with the white shade in the palette. And now taking a smaller brush, I am going to use the pink shimmery shade to put it on my lid. And now taking the Heavy Metals glitter liner by Urban Decay in Cat Call, I am going to use it as a base for my glitter. And now I am doing a wing. And I am just putting glitter. Now taking this NYX white eyeliner, I am using it for my waterline, and now I am applying lashes. Okay guys, so this is my glitter cut crease tutorial. Please like and comment on this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I hope to post more, and yeah, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching.